With the new technology, starting a business in UAE or especially in Dubai is not very difficult. But the good fact about it is you should know what are the legal structuring availing in UAE, what can give you more benefit out of it. But the trend in UAE or across the world, I have seen people just come up saying that I want to start a sole establishment or a civil company without even knowing whether they fall in such a category or whether that is going to give them any extra benefit. So in this video, I would like to talk more about the legal structuring that especially avails in UAE market, moreover in Dubai market. So starting with legal structuring, what is legal structuring? Before starting a company, you should know which activity you are planning to do, in which category you fall into. Say for if you are a freelancer, or if you are a coach, if you are a consultant, or understand if you're a manufacturer or falling into a trading sector, then you should know what is sole establishment, what is civil company, what is LLC, or also you should know the importance of having a holding company if you're having multiple companies in UAE. Another important fact is if you are just one individual, just acting as a beginner to form a company in UAE, the sole establishment is a good option for you. You can have very limited expense to start the company, and then you can minimize yourself in the legality. Yes, of course, 100% liability will be on an individual, but a beginner having just a small vision, sole establishment would be a good option for you. Having sole establishment, you should also need to know you should have a UAE national as an agent. Now, how important it is and the benefit of it is you may be a beginner, but if you are looking for some government project or some sort of tender to get attended, you can have a UAE national in your license without even taking him as a partner in your license, just keeping him 0%, having a license and having a UAE national. You can get such projects too with a very minimal license. But the benefit becomes a drawback when you're looking for expansion or when you're looking for more investments. Then comes the part of a LLC company. Another important thing is in sole company itself, you're having multiple partners. You're having another option called civil company. You can have 2 or more partners in this sort of legality. Only difference is when it is sole, it's only one partner, and when you have multiple partners and to get all these benefits, then you can have a civil company. But as I said, the benefits become drawback when you have a civil or sole company, when you're looking for expansion or when you're looking for investment plans or you're planning to put yourself in an IPO listed company, then you should upgrade yourself as a limited liability company, which is called LLC. But the thing is if you are already planning to be a trading company or a manufacturing company, then there is no option of having a sole establishment or civil company on expatriates like us. But if you are having connection with a UAE national for a manufacturing company, also still you can have a sole establishment. 100% on UAE national. Otherwise, you will have to form a limited liability company, 100% on your name for a trading company or for a manufacturing company. Now, what are the benefits of having a limited liability company? With the name itself, all the liability of the company remains within the company. It's not going to be on the individual's name. Unlike sole or civil, the liability is not fallen on your name or your personal assets. It remains with the company. But true fact is if you are the owner of a limited liability company, whatever liability comes over there, being the manager, it falls on you. But the problem, the personal assets remains as it is. Okay, but never underestimate or never misunderstand saying that being a limited liability company, it's not going to be on the individual's name. It will be. It will be on the manager who is holding the signing authority in the banks. Another thing is if you're having multiple companies in UAE, and you're planning to put it under a single company to consolidate everything, all the tax benefits or getting all the royalty. If you're getting it from 10, 20 companies and you want to consolidate in a single company to make the track much easier and to get all the tax benefits, then you can form a holding company, maybe in any free zone or even in offshore. It's not important to have all the companies in UAE. You can still have all your companies across the world. Still, you can have your holding company in UAE. Now, what are the benefits of getting offshore or main or free zone or mainland investment companies, because I have seen most of the overseas people coming to UAE and getting their holding company in the free zones. But most of the UAE business people haven't formed this investment companies, because maybe they are unaware of the benefits, or maybe they are thinking maybe in the future they can go for it. But I would suggest, if you're having maybe more than like 4 to 5 companies, it's always good to make it under a single individual company, like a holding company or like a offshore company. Maybe you can start in the free zone, or you can even start in the offshore. Now, if you're asking to me, what are the benefits of knowing all these things? You can save a lot of tax issues. You can get yourself away from the liabilities. You can put the company in the right structure, which will save a lot of money in future. Because without knowing the legal structure, people take a different or a irrelevant legal type in the initial day, and within 1 month or 6 months, they are forced to upgrade themselves to a LLC company if they're like if they had taken a sole establishment without knowing what exactly they are doing. So this all will cost you time and money. So to save all these things, it's always good to go with professionals or experts who can give you clear guidance on the legal structuring, the type of license, the judiciaries, and then give you a right direction the initial day, can make your business go in a smooth way, can put your expansion the right way, and can save a lot of things without thinking all the issues that is going to follow you.